This video will serve to give you lab data for the penny alloy lab if you are not in class. So step one of the penny alloy lab is to place your penny into hydrochloric acid to allow it to react and interact. So it's hard to see, but there are bubbles kind of on the surface of the penny right now as the hydrochloric acid eats through some of the corrosion that's been on the penny. After it's been in there for a few minutes, you're going to fish it out of the acid and put it into the water to let it rinse off. And at this step, the penny still looks exactly like a penny. It's just way shinier than it was before I put it into the acid. Next step then is to take the penny and place it into the hot sodium hydroxide zinc mixture. At this stage, the penny is in with the zinc and the sodium hydroxide, experiencing a kind of slow boil. This is allowing the electroplating to happen for the zinc color onto the penny, and it'll be in there for about 3 minutes until I pull it out. Now it's been long enough. I'm going to take the penny out of the sodium hydroxide. So I'm going to take this off of the heater, mostly because the material in here is not super good for you. I often lose my voice every year when I breathe in these fumes for like multiple periods in a row. Take that out of the sodium hydroxide, put it back into water to rinse it off. I'm going to clean off the extra zinc that's kind of on the surface of the penny. So now here's what the penny looks like after it's been zinc plated. You can see that it's very shiny. It almost looks like a dime, most people say. The last step in this process might be hard to see, so I'm going to do the best I can. You're going to end up holding the penny from the sides like this, so not from the middle, because we want the whole thing to get nice and evenly heated. And we're going to take that and put it into the hottest part of our flame, which is the top of the inner cone. As we do that, we're going to watch for it to start to change colors. And once I see that golden color start to show up, I'm going to pull it and quench it in the water, turning off my flame. And now I have a golden penny. So that's what it looks like after it's plated. You can actually see on mine, on the edge where the tongs were, it didn't fully change. So there's the 3 steps: in the acid, water, in the sodium hydroxide, and then heat. Okay, gather your data, finish the lab.